Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit a button color in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first we need to log in to our account by filling our email address and password. Click on login. Now click on this website button below your desired website. Go to pages to locate the page you want to work on. Now click on this edit button from the top to go into the editing mode. As you can see, now I can select blocks or elements on my page. This is a button that I want to change the color for. Just select it like that and go to this little brush icon. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. We are now inside styles. Go to colors and click on the color theme from these three colors. Let's go with light one and go to button, and below button you can edit your primary button background. For example, let's pick this color for the primary button background. Same thing with the primary button text. You can edit it just like that. And since Squarespace uses a palette system, editing your color here applies throughout many places on your or many buttons on your website. Now that I started working on the secondary buttons, my editing started showing instantly here. After that, click on this save button from this corner to not lose your editing. And this is how to edit a button color in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.